Hello everyone, welcome to Celebs Record. In this YouTube video, we describe that Hollywood's most famous star Brad Pitt is finally speaking out about his $80 million divorce from Angelina Jolie. And believe it or not, he says it's not a big deal. Let's break it down. Hollywood icon Brad Pitt is making headlines once again, but this time it's not for blockbuster movie or a red carpet appearance. The actor recently spoke out about his finalized divorce from Angelina Jolie, addressing the staggering $80 million settlement that left fans and media buzzing. Surprisingly, Pitt is downplaying the amount, calling it or not the major, in a move that has sparked both curiosity and controversy. The divorce, which has been one of the most closely watched celebrity breakups in recent memory, has spanned near a decade of negotiation, custody battles, and financial disputes. With 6 children and a shared fortune at stake, the settlement has drawn the attention of legal experts and fans alike. In an interview that aired earlier this week, the Once Upon a Time in Hollywood star seemed unfazed by massive payout. It's not that major when you looked at what really matters in life, he said, suggesting that peace of mind and family stability outweighed the financial cost. Brad's laid-back response also gives a glimpse into the current state of mind. Sources close to the actor says he focused on personal growth, co-parenting his children, and prioritizing peace over public drama. This tone is in stark contrast to the earlier days of Jolie Pitt's plate, which were made by intense media scrutiny and legal back and forths. Meanwhile, Angelina Jolie has remained largely silent about the finalized term of settlement. While she has been vocal in the past about custody concern and the emotional tolls of the divorce, she has not issued a statement about Pitt's recent comments. This silence has led many to wonder how the actress truly feels about the outcome. Social media reactions to Pitt's statement have been mixed. While some fans praise his nonchalant attitude as emotional evolve, others criticize as it tone deep, especially even the financial struggles of everyday people. Regardless of opinion, the story continues to dominate celebrity news cycles and spark wider conversation about wealth, divorce, and public perception. As Brad Pitt turns the page, one of the most tumultuous chapters of his life, the world watches to see what next for the Hollywood legend. Whether it's new film projects, Neverland family focus, or family peace and privacy, one thing's clear: Pitt is ready to move on. Stay tuned for more updates as the story unfolds. No matter what you think of Brad's reaction, one thing's clear: he is moving on. Let us know your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more celebrity updates. See you in the next video and take care. All the best.